Join me in my journey of restoring my first ever project car, a 1972 Morris 1300. I'm an average guy with the hopes of becoming a car guy. I love cars, and old school cars are my kryptonite. Anything 1984 and older, even vintage cars as old as 1918. I love them. I plan on doing as much as I can on my own, with the guidance of my trusty Haynesman. This is a long-term project that will be done gradually over time. With all the successes, fails, and laughs, it's going to be incredible. So come along for the ride, for all the thrills and spills of watching this beauty of a car become reborn to her former glory. Right, now where'd I put that blinker fuse?